Mihango ya gutheria njira iria mugithi wa kuma Nanyuki guthii Nairobi kugerera ni hindi nyitite thinga kuri andu 400 kuma ruhonge-ini rwa NYS mahetwo kibaro gia gutigirira ni mace haithaka mimera na nyeki iria merereire reri ino. Akiaria hindi ya guthurima mihango ya uruti wa wira ucio, kamishna wa kaunti ya Laikipia Daniel Nyameti ni uritie aikari aria othe maikaraga aria reri ino itanyitwo kugerera mabatie guthama ihinda-ini ria ciumia 2 ciukite niguo thirikari ihote gukinyaniria mubango wayo wa kuriukia reri ino.
They have been given 2 weeks to make sure that they destroy whatever structures they have put on the railway land. They should remove voluntarily within 2 weeks.
Oho ni uriti aria othe makoretwo makiuthira mugunda wa reri hari mihango yao ya urimi magethe mbere ya muthenya wa kiumia tondu andu aria mararuta wira wa gutheria njira ya reri ino makumunya-kiria giothe makora njira-ini.
For those who have crops on the railway land, we have given them up to a Sunday this week. Up to Sunday they must remove whatever they have on the railway land. If it is maize, if it is Nebia glasses or whatever nature of activity they are doing there, they should clear by Sunday. Or else from Monday, we have the NYS personnel who are going to uproot anything which is on the railway land.
Kwa ihinda riri, thirikari kwetukira kambuni ya reri ni igite keheri kigina gia ciringi bilioni 3 iria cikuthika hari kuriukia reri ino ya kuma Nanyuki nginya Nairobi igituikaniria kaunti 6. Wa Jerometa, Inooro TV.